Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, I wanted to talk to the new seller, the new person who's getting into selling on Amazon. You know, they've been maybe watching a bunch of YouTube videos and they've got dreams, right? They're excited. They want to start making money. Maybe they're sick and tired. Maybe you are sick and tired of your job or relying on that income. Maybe you want more income to go on a vacation or just more income to invest in index funds, right? Or maybe eventually you want to get to the point where you quit your job and you go full-time selling on Amazon. Well, I wanted to make a video talking to you, that person who's interested in, in doing that. Coming from someone who's been selling on Amazon for about 11, 12 years now, somebody who's done over $700,000 last year. I made over 6 figures profit, and I help and I coach a lot of people, right? I have a coaching program called Reselling Freedom. I'll put that on the screen below. It's about $1 per month. We have close to 10 coaches. We do 3 to 5 coaching calls a week. There's like over 700 hours of coaching calls. We have a course, we do workshops, we have a private membership, and I help and I train, and so do my coaches, a lot of people, and I get to see what makes people successful and what doesn't, right? So I want to talk about a couple of things if you're just getting into the game, things to kind of keep in mind. Okay, so first and foremost, Amazon's changed a lot. It's getting harder and harder. It really is. It's not the same where you can just jump into Amazon, sell any product, flip it, make money, get paid within a couple of days like eBay, and reinvest it and just, like build an income stream of like $5,000 a month profit within a couple of months. The game's definitely changed, right? First and foremost, when you sign up, it's not as easy anymore. There's like a verification process. You might have to get on a call, verify your identity, so on and so forth. There's a lot of counterfeiters, bootleggers, people trying to ruin Amazon. So Amazon's like super duper paranoid now about who they let sell. So that's the first change. Number 2, you can't just sell any product anymore. When you first get started on Amazon, they're going to limit you in a couple different ways. Number 1, they're going to limit the products that you can sell. So you might watch my videos and see me flipping like DVDs and Transformer toys and, just different items, right? Different products, electronics, tools, different things, even like certain books, right? That aren't even textbooks. And then you go and scan them with Scoutly or Amazon Seller app and it's restricted. That's part of the game now. For really the first 2-3 months, they don't trust you at all. You've got to try to sell what you can. There was a comment that I read the other day saying, Steve, like, I can't sell anything. And the truth is, it's not that you can't sell anything. You have to find the 20-30% of the items that you can sell. And I recommend starting with books. Used books is probably the best way to get started. And you just sell what you can sell. And as you sell 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 books, and I know it's a little challenging in the beginning, they're going to start to auto-ungate you. They're going to start to open up more brands and just give you more rope, right? Give you more rope to, go see what you can do. Are you going to run this like a real business, right? Are you going to ship items out in time if you're merchant fulfilling? Are you going to ship items incorrectly, FBA? Are you going to get good feedback? Are items going to be described or not described, right? So that's something to keep in mind. And also now Amazon, like when you're a newer seller, they're going to hold quite a bit of your money. So you might make $500, but they only pay you 50. Then the next week they'll give you 100, and then next week 150. Like they slowly pay out more of what you earned, and it's BS. I'll be honest with you, it's annoying. Like that's your money, that's my money, that's what we earned. But again, Amazon, they've found that there's a lot of people who will make a bunch of money and then screw over their customers. And keep in mind, Amazon, those aren't your customers, those aren't my customers, that's Amazon's customers. When me or you or anybody screws over a customer by doing something wrong, that customer's not like, screw that bald Steve Rakin. They're saying, screw Amazon. I'm going to Walmart next time. I'm going to Target. And, they have shareholders and everything, obviously a public traded company. So they're trying to protect their brand and their image. Same like if you receive like a fake pair of Nikes, like that's Amazon's brand is getting tarnished. They're not coming back to Johnny Boy 502, who sold the item, right? Like the customer's pissed at Amazon. So all of this to say, if you're going to start selling on Amazon, you've got to look at this as like a 6 to 12 month project. You don't want to start selling on Amazon when you need money to pay your mortgage next month. It ain't going to happen. I'm telling you right now. And there's a lot of different ways that you could sell on Amazon. I recommend that people start by going to thrift stores, buying books, different items like that, starting to get auto-ungated, earning trust the first couple of months. And you're not going to make much money. Like you've got to have $500 to $1,000 aside, and you might not see that for 3-4 months. Honestly, I'm being real. Just because like if you're going to do FBA FBA, you got to buy all this stuff and then package it up, and then it could take a couple weeks to ship, a couple weeks to check in, a couple weeks or months to sell. So there's this like period of time where your items just, they're just kind of sitting there. Your money's sitting in your inventory. So you've really got to look at things like if you're getting started, don't quit your job. Right? You got to look at this as like a little side hustle, like a little garden that you're planting in the backyard. And, you're planting your seeds, you're taking care of it every day. And the watermelon's not going to grow next week. The potatoes aren't going to be ready to dig up next week. The corn ain't going to be ready to harvest, right? It's going to take 3, 4, 5, 6 months. Now, I'm not a gardening expert, but that's what I got to say. Like if you're going to sell on Amazon, there's a lot of potential down the road. And nowadays, more than ever, people are just giving up and quitting. They won't even get verified through the video, verification process to sign up. They don't have time for it, right? That's the world we live in now. People are struggling. I hate to say it. People are struggling. They're paycheck to paycheck, living hand to mouth. They don't have 3 to 6 months to invest, or 6 to 12 months to really build something up to where you're making a couple $1,000s revolving, right? Reoccurring revenue, and you've got your processes down. But that's the reality. I hate to say it. Some people hate me for being just so blunt and real about the reality. Whereas, most of the YouTube channels that you're going to follow, they're not going to tell you this. They're going to sell you a dream. They're going to blow smoke up your what, and then they're going to offer you a $300 or a $500 or a $5,000 course, and they're going to promise you the world, and you're going to enroll in it, and you're going to get punched in the face so many times. You're going to say to yourself, God damn it, like, why didn't I just try this on my own? Like, a lot of people think that they could just outsource their problems. Like, the reason we make money in business is because we're having to deal with a lot of problems. And not only do you have to deal with the problem, with an e-commerce business of finding products, analyzing them, bringing them to the market, but as a new seller, there's a lot of problems you have to overcome. Getting verified, getting your account set up, cash flow issues because you're not getting paid all the time, getting ungated. There's a lot to it. So I guess this message is probably a little disheartening to people, but the thing is, there's a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. If you put in 6 to 12 months, you're going to get ungated in a lot of products. You're going to be able to sell a lot of products. You're not going to have a ton of competition because most people just give up and quit nowadays. If you're smart with your money, right? If you take things slow, if you're willing to put in $500 to $1,000 and not be rushing to see it overnight, like you could compound that money. I mean, last year alone, I did over $700,000, $175,000 profit, and I'm literally just buying items from eBay and selling them on Amazon FBA. I'm not even going to thrift stores anymore. I'm doing this 100% hands off now. I have virtual assistants who do everything. I use a tool called Replen Catcher that helps me to find all these items on eBay, and it automates the process, and we sell them on Amazon. But I don't recommend starting with eBay to Amazon right out of the gate. Start with thrifting, right? Work your way up for the first 3 or 4 months, and then you could start to source from eBay and flip on Amazon and use Replen Catcher. But you got to learn the basics. You got to invest the time to learn and overcome getting, obviously approved, and then learning about how to list your first item, ship your first item, getting paid, building up your income. It's just not as easy as what a lot of people are making it out to be anymore. But there's a lot of rewards. There's a lot of profits. There's a lot of products that you can source at thrift stores for a couple bucks and sell them for 40 or 50. I buy items all the time off of eBay, again, where I'll spend 30 or 40 bucks, flip it for 80, 100. I've made videos on my channel sharing tons of eBay to Amazon flips that, I'm selling. If you look in the community, there's books that you can sell for 80 to 100. DVDs I've sold for 150. More commonly, they're going to be selling for 30, 40, $50. But there's tons of opportunities. But you just got to be willing to invest and learn and take your time, and don't be rushing. It's going to take a good 6 to 12 months to build things up and find your way. And that's really important, finding your way. You have to find what works for you. Find the best thrift stores. Find the best library sales. Find what I call the honey holes, right? The mom and pop thrift stores, or find your model. Find your way. So that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. And if you have any questions or whatnot, feel free to comment. If you guys want help, mentorship, or anything like that, again, for about $1 a day, Reselling Freedom, you can find everything you need to get started in there. If you want coaching, if you want your hand held, if you want to jump on live Zoom calls, ask questions to me, to other coaches, definitely get in there. But with that being said, guys, I appreciate you all. Be patient, put in that work, and much love. Bye.